To answer the question, how many times do I need to apply the beard growth oil, or how often am I supposed to apply the beard growth oil? If you want to see the faster results, you want to apply the beard growth oil more than twice a day, in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening when you want to go to bed. Use your beard growth oil as often as you can so that you see the results as fast as possible. And the other question that I get here on this channel is, do beard growth oils work? Beard growth oils work, yes, and they don't work sometimes if you don't know what you are doing. Beard growth oils work. Why? Because they have worked for me. This beard growth oil has worked for me. I'll put the link down below in the description. If you want to check it out, go and check it out. It works well. If you want to buy a beard growth oil, I would suggest you buy this one because it is the one that I'm comfortable with. It is the one that has helped me to see the results that I'm able to see on my face. The beard that you see on my face, everything that you see on my face, it's because this beard growth oil has helped me to grow it. Look into buying a beard oil like this one. Aichun beard growth oil works like magic. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link down below in the description. What beard growth oils do is to moisturize your skin so that your beard, as it grows faster. If your skin is moisturized by a beard growth oil, it helps your beard to grow faster and thicker and healthily. You want to grab something like this to be able to grow a beard as fast as possible. If you have any questions about beard growth, please drop your questions down below in the comments and I'll be happy to respond to you. I hope this video was informative to all the people who asked me about beard growth. Don't forget to subscribe and leave the comments and any questions that you have about beard growth down below in the comments.